I think we made it to the campground. This is crazy. That was crazy. Whew.
Bubbling toilet trouble down there. Drove through. 3K. Only hard because of the altitude. Yeah. 7,000 feet. In the clouds.
In the clouds.
Life in the clouds, family.
Look at that.
Oh yeah.
Look where we are.
Dang a gong.
Vitamin G is not actually recognized as an official vitamin. G stands for green. Latest research indicates that being surrounded by nature's greenery is linked to good health and well-being.
Upon arrival at Pino Dulce, we discovered that there are 3 hikes available. Upon discussion, we decided to take the long hike, which starts near the campground and meanders down, meanders down, way down to a river, a creek. It was beautiful. Meandering through roots, ruts, and rocks, and along the way, we discovered a waterfall. And wait, it wasn't the only or the last waterfall. There were, I would say, about a dozen waterfalls of varying sizes and volume of water and noise in a ravine that was quiet except for the sound of rushing water.
As we breathe the pure mountain air and clouds enter our lungs, our minds are quiet and ready to embrace their Creator and ours.
At some point, with all great experiences, you reach the farthest point, like traveling to Mars, and must return to planet Earth. And that's where we discovered that the trail disappeared into the creek itself. Well, we bounded over rocks, fallen trees, sometimes we splashed in the water, and we made it. We returned to the meadow at Pino Dulce. And of course, you decide beforehand if you want to bring water shoes or not, or go barefoot. The choice is always yours.
So why did we move to Guatemala?
That's why. All the way to just do that. That was beautiful.